Ko au te marae, ko te marae ko au. That is the mission statement of Manurewa Marae, and that is actually her. The marae's mission is to be connected to her community. So as a marae, we wanted to see what our people would engage with. There is a perception that only Māori can come to the marae, and for a lot of our urban intergenerational whānaus, there's a lot of fear. So that was our purpose of going out to our community, to normalise it, to actually raise profile of the marae, and to bring more understanding about what kaupapa Māori activations actually happen on the marae weekly.
Manurewa Marae was to provide a place that's central to the marae, where the actual art itself has a context to deliver from, and so that it draws also our participants into the context of a marae setting. And as they learn maurako, they also learn about other aspects of tikanga and customs and values of how a marae operates and runs, and the roles that each tikanga plays in order to keep the whānau and the hapu and the community growing.
Me kira, ko taku rākau ko au, a ko au ko taku rākau, a mai taku rākau, ko tipu ka whanaki au, ki te tūhono, ki ngā momo tai ao katoa, nā hono ngā ki te rangi, nā hono ngā ki te whenua, nā hono ngā ki te moana, nā hono ngā ki ngā momo tikanga o kawa, nā taku rākau, tērau puta, tēnei nā ki te whaiau ki te o mārama, nā reira nā taku rākau, tēnei whakaora.
The training here is all about connecting them to the actual landmarks and going visiting them and being upon them. And so learning the haka in addition to that brings to life the pepeha of this place. And those landmarks become more than just names. They have a context, they have a life and an energy and a purpose. And so in the haka, they'll be able to carry that with them and know that they're not just saying it, but they're living it because they've been there on it.
The response to the maurako is people are not fearful anymore to actually give it a go. It's normalised our traditions in public spaces. Our te reo being spoken in public spaces has been a huge impact in our community.
I believe the fact that maurako has been active in the community lets the community know that there is a place for maurako and for them to know that kaupapa Māori is alive and well. And if they want to be able to access it, they know that it's there. Going out into the community and activating those spaces allows them to know that we exist and we've been here for a while, and everyone's welcome to come if they desire to learn.